Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, stability control, cruise control, fog lights, clock, compass, trip odometer, power brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.